Yo everybody, what's going on? This is Logan going with Going's Kicks, and today I'm bringing you guys another beater box unboxing. This one was 740 bucks, but as you can see, kind of already unboxed it. I shot a whole nother video. It was kind of a banger, but an idiot kind of forgot to turn on the microphone, so I have to reshoot it. But it's not the same idea as the first video, so I'll have to save it for the next beater box unboxing. You'll see why when the next one comes out. But anyway, let's crack this puppy open again. That was quick. Alright, so first up, without a box, we got a pair of Pantone 11s. These are size 11 and pretty dirty. I know pretty much all the information about every shoe in this box because I've already unboxed it. Next up, we have a pair of Flint 12s. I honestly had no idea what these were before. Never even heard of them. Thought they were the taxis until I looked closer and realized it was gray instead of black. And then I looked them up on GOAT and saw they were the Flints, size 11.5, pretty old, from 2003. I'm a year older, it's whatever. Not really that dirty, just old and I guess still not in a great condition though. And no box. So that's all the shoes without a box. Next up, we got an Adidas Ultra Boost, size 9.5. And these are the Adidas Ultra Boost 3.0 Trace Cargo. I didn't really know what the colorway name was until I looked it up, just because Adidas came out with so many Ultra Boosts that it's hard to know the name of each colorway. But anyway, pretty clean colorway, just olive green. And then also on the cages, they have this weird little mesh that's pretty hard. So it's kind of a cool little cage. I'll show you guys a close-up just so you know what it looks like. So the Boost is always good in a box. Next up, a LeBron box, size 8. These are LeBron 10 Jades. Used but great condition, good basketball shoes, a lot of padding. You know, you got that full length Nike Zoom Air. Pow, banging these out one by one. Size 8, we have a pair of Crimson 3s, dead stock. Nothing much to say there. Another Ultra Boost, but instead these are a size 13 and also an Adidas 1.0. Not an Adidas 1.0, these are Ultra Boost 1.0. These are the Wolf Grays, size 13s, are pretty big. Not in the greatest condition. One of the original Ultra Boosts. These were back when Ultra Boosts were popping. And really clean colorway. It's a little bit dirty, a couple scuff marks, but other than that, still a clean shoe. Alright, got two more left. Size 11.5, we have a pair of 2012 white cement 4s. Honestly, I hate them with the Jordan Jumpman in the back. I feel like that just looks way cleaner. I love my 2016 pair. Just everything about it's better. The white cement print and the gray is much better color. And these are pretty used from 2012 and the mesh is very yellow. But I'll try to clean them up if I can. But you guys can still have them for the low. Alright, last box here. We got a Jordan 11. These are some Jordans that just recently came out, size 13. Let's see if Logan's smart enough to open the box. There we go. MJ. Oh crap, there goes the light. And we're back. Let's get this out of the way. So these are a pair of Jordan 11 Win Like 96s, all red. Honestly, kind of look like a fake Jordan. But obviously Jordan made them, so they're not. And they do smell a little bit like smoke. But nothing a little bit of that Febreze can't handle. Worn probably once or twice. The bottoms look a little bit yellow with some dirt. But the shoes are very clean overall. And I know those go for a good amount just because the retail is $220 or maybe $200. I can't remember for those. But anyway, that wraps up this box. I think it's a pretty decent box for $740. I decided for my approval ratings, if I think it'll be like $200 less of profit, then it'll just get the eh, just because or else every box is pretty much going to get the yes. Just because Supremacy calculates it so that we can get that cash. So only the really good boxes will get a yes, and then all the other boxes will either get eh or no, depending on what we got and if I'll make or lose money. So with all these 8 pairs of shoes, though, I am giving it a very strong eh. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Just keep living life, everyone. Later, dudes.